Ogai mar doho ma pacho ka Martha Koome oyudo mich mar mine manie telo kata African Female Leader of the Year Award. E nyasi mane otim e boma ma Addis Ababa. Koome norwako puothno ma bende nomiye kaluwore kod tije ahinya bedo gai mokwongo mamiyo mar doho e pacho ka. Kaachiel kod keto chenro moketo mag dongruok kaachiel kod lokruok e doho. E nyasi no mane jatend piny mar Tanzania Jakaya Kikwete noyudo mich mar nyayo kwe, mano African Peace and Security Leader of the Year.
An accolade dedicated wholeheartedly to the institution that I am privileged to serve as the first woman Chief Justice of the Judiciary of Kenya. For me, this recognition shines a light on our collective endeavor to establish a justice system that is responsive and attuned to the needs, experiences, and expectations of the Kenyan people. This recognition is above all an encouragement because it inspires us all, the recipients of the 12th edition of the awards, to persist in our pursuit of leadership excellence and to relentlessly enhance the quality of service delivery of the institutions that we lead.